Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you another Stahlwille half-inch ratchet. This is a bare handle ratchet with new ratcheting mechanism. It's a QR series ratchet with 80 gear teeth. I already have the same ratchet with comfort grip handle, but somehow I wanted it in bare handle and it looks so cool. You don't see so often a bare handle ratchet from German brands these days. There are metal handle ratchets in the past, but these days it's not very common. Let's dive into the ratchet. The ratchet is just over 26 cm long. The weight of the ratchet is 654 grams. Look at the aesthetics of the ratchet. Matte chrome finish is my favorite. It's a beautiful piece of tool and it does look a quality ratchet. Even though the chrome surface has rough finish, but it is smoother than it looks. Obviously, it's not as smooth as shiny chrome ratchet, but it is also good for oily hands, which will prevent slippery hands to slip off the surface to some extent. But man, this matte chrome finish looks awesome. It's got nice grip, feels good in hands. At the end of the handle, the curve could help for better grip, preventing losing off. I don't have bare handled snap-on ratchet with me. Just to give you guys an idea how the handle looks in size, I have got here snap-on 3/8 flex head ratchet. This ratchet is made in Germany and is stamped onto the head. Part number is also stamped. Nice chrome job here too. The selector switch is kind of recessed and smooth. It's made out of metal. Painted in green quick release button is nice and smooth. I tell you guys, the ratchet is buttery and smooth. Really quality mechanism. It's a fine tooth ratchet. It's got 80 gear teeth. It means it re-engage right after 4.5 degree angle. Good for confined spaces. Socket seated smoothly and firmly. Not much wobbly. This ratchet is rated as FOB, a foreign object damage. It's good for safety relevant sectors such as aviation. There are no screws. This mechanism is secured with a retaining ring. Awesome ratchet. Quick release works flawlessly. I prefer quick release function over non-quick release. With this, you don't lose socket under the engine bay. Time to compare this ratchet with few other in brief. Here I have got Hyper Series ratchet from Hazet, same Stahlwille ratchet in comfort grip, another Stahlwille rounded head ratchet. These two are identical ratchet. I just wanted to show you guys a quick comparison. When comparing these two, the rounded head ratchet is totally a different kind. And also, it's old school ratchet. Similar chrome job, but it's got spanner style flat shaft. Lever versus dial style direction mechanism. Direction lever style, in my opinion, is by far better design when it comes to convenience. You can see I'm struggling changing the direction due to little oily fingers even though it's got knurling. The only downside of lever style switch is sometimes it can accidentally change the direction in tight spaces if it touches other object. Well, round head ratchet has 60 gear teeth and it's not that smooth as 80 gear teeth for obvious reasons. But this rounded head ratchet is not that bad in comparison though. This round head ratchet has clearly thicker ratchet head. The comfort grip is my go-to handle. It gives a good grip. The final ratchet for the comparison is Hyper Series Quick Release from Hazet. Now Hazet Hyper Series ratchets are one of my favorites, but let's have a quick comparison. Both looks nice in their own way. This Hazet ratchet has comfort grip versus bare handle. Both feel good in hand. For me, comfort grip is my go-to handle. Both have their own trademarked rough chrome finish. Stahlwille has slightly smooth surface. Part number and the made in Germany is stamped onto the shaft of Hazet, whereas Stahlwille got stamped onto its ratchet head. Both have recessed selector switch. Both are made out of metal and both are smooth. But Stahlwille selector switch is little smoother. Hazet one is bit stiffer. Both ratchets have nice quick release function. Hazet one feels like it needs more push power than the Stahlwille. I like the quick release button of Stahlwille, but honestly, I prefer Hazet quick release button. It feels more robust. Hazet ratchet is 90 teeth versus Stahlwille 80 gear teeth. But Stahlwille ratchet is smoother and has less back drag. It's all about preferences when it comes to ratcheting mechanism, number of teeth count, back drag, pair handle versus comfort grip, and also brand loyalty. But this Stahlwille ratchet is a quality piece of tool. It's got fine and smooth teeth mechanism, nice matte chrome finish. It is a robust ratchet and Stahlwille do use high quality steel and it's made in Germany. Couldn't ask more. Alright guys, what do you think about this ratchet? Feel free to comment below. Consider to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video.